Day 5, Part 1 of Haryana GK 365. Today we master the physical geography of Haryana, specifically the rivers of Haryana, Yamuna and Ghaggar. One question from Haryana rivers is almost guaranteed in HPSC, HSSC, CET, and Haryana Police exams. Can you answer these instantly? Which is the only perennial river associated with Haryana? Which river forms the Haryana-Uttar Pradesh boundary? Which is the largest seasonal river of Haryana? Let's master all these in just 5 minutes. Rivers play a vital role in Haryana's agriculture, irrigation, drinking water supply, and economy. Haryana has one major perennial river and several seasonal rivers. The important rivers are Yamuna, Ghaggar, Markanda, Tangri, Saraswati, Chautang, Sahibi, Kaushalya, and Indori. Exam tip: remember Yamuna separately because almost every exam asks about it. Section 1. Yamuna River. The Yamuna is the most important river of Haryana. Its source is the Yamunotri Glacier in the Bandar Poonch Range, Uttarkashi district, Uttarakhand. The total length is approximately 1,376 kilometers. It enters Haryana near Yamunanagar and forms the entire eastern boundary between Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. The districts along the Yamuna are Yamunanagar, Karnal, Panipat, Sonipat, Faridabad, and Palwal. Moving to the Hathnikund Barrage. Located in Yamunanagar district, it replaced the old Tajawala Barrage in 1999. The barrage diverts water into two important canals, the Western Yamuna Canal and the Eastern Yamuna Canal. These canals irrigate lakhs of hectares of agricultural land. HPSC. Fact: Hathnikund Barrage is one of the most frequently asked locations. The Western Yamuna Canal is one of India's oldest irrigation canals, originally constructed during the Delhi Sultanate and later renovated by the British. It irrigates Karnal, Panipat, Sonipat, Rohtak, Jind, Hisar, Fatehabad and Sirsa. It is called the lifeline of Haryana irrigation. Section 4. Ghaggar River. The Ghaggar is the largest seasonal river of Haryana. Its source is the Shivalik Hills near Dagshai, Himachal Pradesh. It enters Haryana near Panchkula. It flows through Panchkula, Ambala, Kurukshetra, Kaithal, Fatehabad and Sirsa. It finally enters Rajasthan and disappears in the Thar Desert. Many historians believe the ancient Saraswati River flowed through the Ghaggar Hakra channel, and many Harappan sites have been discovered here. Quick revision: only perennial river, Yamuna. Largest seasonal river, Ghaggar. Source of Yamuna, Yamunotri Glacier. Source of Ghaggar, Shivalik Hills. Finally, let's look at HPSC and HSSC expected MCQs. Question 1. Which river forms the eastern boundary of Haryana? The answer is B. Yamuna. Question 2. Hathnikund Barrage is situated on? Answer B. Yamuna. Question 3. Which is the largest seasonal river of Haryana? Answer B. Ghaggar. Question 4. Which canal is known as the lifeline of Haryana? Answer B. Western Yamuna Canal. Master these facts, and you are one step closer to success. Did you know that Saraswati, Chautang, and Ghaggar are believed by many historians to be connected with the ancient Saraswati River? These rivers are among the favorite topics of HPSC. Let's master them in just 5 minutes. First, the Markanda River. The Markanda is an important seasonal river of Haryana. Its source is the Shivalik Hills near Nahan, Himachal Pradesh. It enters Haryana through Ambala district and flows through Ambala and Kurukshetra. Finally, it joins the Ghaggar River. Important facts: it floods during the monsoon season, carries large amounts of silt, and is a major tributary of the Ghaggar. Markanda is known as the arrestor of floods in some local references because of its seasonal flooding pattern. Second, the Tangri River. Tangri is another seasonal river originating from the Shivalik Hills. It flows through Panchkula and Ambala, finally merging into the Ghaggar River. It's also called Dangri in some old records and is active mainly during the rainy season. It is a tributary of Ghaggar. Third, the Saraswati River. Saraswati is one of the most important rivers from the HPSC perspective. Its source is the Adibadri Hills in the Shivalik Range, Yamunanagar. It flows through Yamunanagar, Kurukshetra, and Pehawa. Many historians believe it represents the surviving course of the ancient Saraswati River. Pahawa is considered one of the most sacred towns. Fourth, the Chautang River. Chautang is an ancient seasonal river flowing through Jind, Hisar and Fatehabad. Many archaeologists believe Chautang was once a tributary or branch of the ancient Saraswati River. It has high archaeological importance. Fifth, the Sahibi River. Sahibi River originates from the Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan. It enters Haryana through Rewari and Gurugram, later flowing towards the Najafgarh drain, and finally the Yamuna Basin. Superfast revision. Markanda and Tangri are tributaries of Ghaggar. Saraswati is linked with ancient Saraswati. Chautang is an ancient channel. Question 1. Saraswati River originates from? Answer: Adi Badri Hills. Question 2. Sahibi River originates from? Answer: Aravalli Hills. Question 3. Which river is associated with the ancient Saraswati? Answer: Saraswati. Question 4. Markanda River is a tributary of? Answer: Ghaggar. If HPSC asks a map-based question on Haryana rivers, can you score full marks? In this final part, you'll revise every important river, major canals, dams, and the highest probability MCQs in just 5 minutes. Let's start with the Kaushalya River. Kaushalya is a seasonal river originating from the Morni Hills of the Shivalik Range in Panchkula. It flows through Panchkula and finally joins the Ghaggar River. The important fact to remember is the Kaushalya Dam constructed on this river. It serves the purpose of drinking water supply, irrigation, and flood control. Next is the Indori River, another small seasonal river. Sourced from the Shivalik Hills, it flows through northern Haryana. It joins the Ghaggar River system, moving to the important canals. The Western Yamuna Canal starts from Hathnikund Barrage and is the lifeline of Haryana irrigation, serving Karnal, Panipat, Sonipat, and other districts. The Eastern Yamuna Canal also originates from Hathnikund, mainly serving Uttar Pradesh. The Bakra Canal system brings water from the Bakra Nangal project on the Sutlej River, transforming dry southwestern districts. Quick district revision. Yamunanagar sees the Yamuna, Saraswati, and Kaushalya. Ambala features the Ghaggar, Markanda, and Tangri. Rewari and Gurugram are linked to the Sahibi. For your revision, the perennial river is the Yamuna. The largest seasonal river is the Ghaggar. The Sahibi originates from Aravalli Hills. Saraswati represents the ancient Saraswati River. Let's test your knowledge with MCQs. Question 1. Kaushalya Dam is built on? Answer: Kaushalya River. Question 2. Bakra Canal receives water from which river? Answer: Sutlej. Question 3. Which river originates from the Aravalli Hills? Answer: Sahibi. Question 4. Which barrage replaced the Tajawala Barrage? Answer: Hathnikund Barrage. Question 5. Which river represents the ancient Saraswati? Answer: Saraswati. Today you've mastered major rivers, sources, canals, and high-yield facts. Join us for Day 6 on lakes and national parks. Follow Haryana GK 365 to complete the syllabus in 30 days.